Give us your comment on the fourth quarter.
It was a very good quarter. We've shown that we had a good growth. We had growth not only by many regions, but also in many products and across the different BAs. We also had a very solid and good profitability, again, across regions and BAs and products. And also, which is very important, we had a strong, solid cash flow, which is so important when we look at future investments.
The figures are very good, but what's behind the numbers?
I would say one of the real key explanations to that is the growth. And we have seen now in market by market, region for region, but also product for product, that we are actually growing not only with the market, but we're growing more than the market. That means that we take market share. And that's, to me, is a very good signal that we're doing the right things, we are addressing the customers' issues, and we are present all around the world. So that's a very important explanation.
Looking at the full year, it was a record year in many ways, net sales, operating income. What are you most satisfied with?
There are many things that I'm really satisfied with, and there are a lot of good stories during the year where people have put in that little extra in order to make it a real success. And if we just take a few, I mean, on the truck side, as I mentioned, the growth of the market shares in the different regional markets is very, very good to see and also important for the future. On the Volvo construction side, we have seen that we are now a clear number one in China, which is the most important market in the world. We also see in buses, for instance, where new technology really played in. We have launched the hybrid buses. We have been hugely successful in selling those. And that shows new technology going into the market is very good. Penta has now really cemented its sort of balancing between the leisure marine, which was the traditional, with the industrial engines, and is now a company with two almost equal legs, which is good for the future to be resistant for ups and downs. Aero had a tough year, but had managed very well to start to address really now the internal efficiencies, making sure that all the investment that they have done is paying off. And despite a very tough dollar rate, I think that they have put in a lot of good efforts, and Volvo Aero is extremely good placed in all the major engine programs that we have together with our partners. That was just a few. There are many others good stories out there.